Godzilla.
I can have one.
Nice.
His eyes are the Godzilla.
Yeah, look.
Why is it red?
I don't know. Maybe you should open it so you can check. Whoa, look at this.
It's my nose.
Oops.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, hey. Move the head, no?
Show it. You can do that like that. So small.